Hello and welcome friends, I am Gaurav Rastogi with the 6th chapter of class 10th ICSE as well as CBSE, which is arithmetic progression. In this chapter, we are going to learn this in 3 different ways, which is words, numbers and diagrams. So, you should also do 3 things for me: share, like and subscribe. Okay? That's great. So let us just start with the chapter. So first of all, we wish to learn what is progression, sequence and series. So let's start. First of all, what is progression? Progression is an arrangement of any objects or set of numbers, arrangement of any object or set of number in a particular order followed by some rule. There should be a logical pattern or a predictable pattern when you are writing a progression, okay, with the numbers. Sequence is sequence of numbers, and then the series is the sum of the sequence of numbers. Okay, that's great. Let's move further. Arithmetic progression. So first of all, we will see it with words. What is arithmetic progression? It's a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term. Okay, so what does this mean? Means if we are writing numbers, then equal number is added to the previous term of that number. Suppose it is starting with 1 and you have to add 3 to all the numbers. Okay, so you will add 3 in 1 to get the next term, which will be 4, and then again 3 to get 7, and then again 3 to get 10. So this is how the progression continues. Now let's see in the view of numbers how to analyze this or visualize this. You can see over here 1 plus 1 gives you 2, then 2 plus 1 gives you 3, 3 plus 1 gives you 4, similarly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what we are adding a constant term, we are adding a same number to all the previous term to get the succeeding term. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Let's move further to the diagrammatic analysis, which will be the most interesting part of this. Okay, so you have a set of arithmetic progression. Now let us visualize this square blocks. Okay, let's see how to do it. Go and see the staircase of your house. It will be looking like the same thing. So here it is 1 square, so the height is 1 unit. 2 squares kept one above the other, the height is 2. Similarly 3 squares, then the height is 3. 4 squares, then the height is 4. 5 squares, then the height is 5. This is how the staircase of your house is made. Okay, you can see the mathematics behind your house. Okay, that's great. Let us move further, and there is another way to analyze it using semicircles. This is a semicircle of diameter 1 unit, another one of diameter 2 unit, another one of diameter 3 unit, another one of diameter 4 unit. You can see it is forming a shape. Food lovers will say it as a donut, and animal lovers will say it as the shell of the snail. Okay, let's move further. This was the whole understanding of arithmetic progression. Now we will see how to find the nth term of the given arithmetic progression. Okay, n can be any number, natural number, but okay. So first of all, we will see that a in an AP is denoted by for the first term. First term is denoted by a. Last term is denoted by the letter L. Okay, similarly common difference is denoted by the letter D. If you wish to take out the common difference of an AP, you have to take the two corresponding terms of an AP and subtract the second one with the first one, or first one from the second one. Okay, now moving further, nth term of an AP can be found out. Okay, so we have taken out the value of the first 4 terms of the AP, and it's forming kind of relation. So let's see what is it. First one is a1. The first one will be a, okay, because the first term is a. Second term is a plus d, a plus common difference. Third will be a plus 2d. Fourth will be a plus 3d. So can you see there is a relation of numbers? A and D are similar everywhere. Just the relation of number is there. 1 and 0, 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 4 and 3. So that is why we write the equation. We write this equation for the formula for the n term as an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The last line is very important in this slide. You can see is written, if there are three terms given, then you should take those three terms as a minus d, a and a plus d. But when it is given that there are three terms, it is not told you any of the three term in the form of numbers, but just given and said that the sum of those three terms is something. So to calculate it, it will be very nice for you, because the d and d will be deducted and you will get 3a is equal to the sum. So we said sum, so let us see how to take out the sum of the AP. Okay, so first of all we have to write the AP in the series and then reverse it and write it the same AP in the series, reverse series you can say. When you will add both of them, you will find that 2 into sum is equals to a plus l plus a plus l plus a plus l n times. A plus l will be n times. So we write it down. 2 sum is equals to n in the bracket a plus l. L, what is l? We told you l is the last term of the AP. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Moving further. So l is last term, which can be denoted as a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. Similarly, we have written the same thing out there. 2 sum is equals to n bracket a plus last term. Last term is written as a plus n minus 1 into d. That is why we wrote sum is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus n plus 1 n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d into n by 2. Okay, this is a formula of sum of an AP which is being derived over here. Moving further, let us solve a question on AP. The question is, find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term of the AP is 149. Okay, let's see how to solve it. So first of all we wrote the formula, because nth term of the AP is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the n was 22 and the nth term, which is 22nd term, is 149. We wrote 149 is equals to a plus 22 minus 1 into 7. So it became 149 is equals to a plus 147, and when we move further we will get a is equals to 2. So we got the first term is equals to 2. We have the second 22nd term is equals to 149. Moving further, it is given that you have to find the sum of the 22 terms of the AP. Okay, we know d, we know the nth term, we know the first term. So it is very easy. Just keep the terms in the formula and you will get the answer. I hope it is understood, and the answer comes to be 1661. You can say it 1661. Okay, let's move further. So this is the homework question. You need to solve this question. It is a question in which if you will solve this, then it is very clear that you know all the operations on arithmetic progression. Okay, kindly comment the answer in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much.